Good morning, good morning. Zip tie the master. Here trying to off here, man. This is Minnesota in the springtime, man. It is springtime. It's fucking snowing, y'all. 4:43 in the morning. Going to work. You know what I'm saying? So, man, these motherfucking heavy clouds here, man. It's cold as fuck. Slippery and cold, man. Slippery and cold. My birds are just starting to enjoy the hot, nice, warm weather too.